Hello everyone, this is Scott C. Waring of UFOSightsDaily.com. You're looking at a UFO that's near the space station today, and this is September 27th, 2018. It looks a little bit like a TR-3B, except maybe four sides on it. So look at that, look at that. Perhaps it's even one of those stealth top secret NASA projects. Here is the faraway version of it. You see the giant solar panels here, and this object slowly moving over into this direction. Now, many UFOs have been reported near the space station, and never once has the space station people answered what they are or why they're out there or what these glowing objects are flying around the space station. For some unknown reason, they don't acknowledge the fact that there are objects seen on the space station live camera. And as you see, there's kind of a glowing happening right there on the opposite direction from behind us. You can't see it, but it does appear to be glowing, and that glow, whether it's from the sun or whatever it is, seems to be also hitting this object over here, as well as the space station. Here's the UFO, as close as I can get it without making a giant blur, but I'm sure half of you are already yelling at me that it's a giant blur anyway. But it's the best I can do here, and I'll try to enlarge it to HD quality. But you can see this object out there, and it no longer looks like a rectangle, does it? It looks like some kind of flat disc on one side, like a plate that's upside down. It's kind of strange, a little unusual. Okay, guys, here's a close-up again, one last time. Tell me your thoughts on this in the comments below, and tell me why you think NASA is trying so hard to avoid talking about these UFOs. Okay, Scott C. Waring, UFOSightsDaily.com. Please like and subscribe. See you soon.